Welcome to Icruz TV, Algebra on the Go. Ang topic po natin for today is Special Products, Product of Sum and Difference of Two Terms, Grade 8 Math. So we have a formation here. Quantity A plus B times the quantity A minus B is equals to A squared minus B squared. So the product of sum and difference of the same two terms. So ito po yung sinasabi kong sum and difference. Ito po yung plus at ito naman pong negative. Then yung same two terms, ito po yan. Kung mapapansin ninyo sa loob ng quantity, dito po sa unang quantity may A and B. Sa pangalawang quantity, meron din pong A and B. So parehas po ang kanilang letters sa loob ng quantity. So after multiplying this using the FOIL method, so ito po ang ating magiging product. So we have A squared minus B squared. So ang tawag po dito is difference of two squares. So bakit po tinawag na difference of two squares? So ito po yung difference. Ito po yung two squares, A squared and B squared. So, proceed po tayo sa ating example number 1. So, we have quantity 3a plus 7 times the quantity 3a minus 7. Okay, so i-copy po natin dito. Equals 3a plus 7 times the quantity 3a minus 7. Then, using the FOIL method, yun po ang i-apply natin sa pagmumultiply nitong dalawang quantity para makuha po natin yung product. Okay, so we have the first terms, multiply 3a times 3a. Okay, so 3a times 3a, that is 9a squared. Then, the outer terms, 3a times negative 7, that is negative 21a. So the inner terms, positive 7 times 3a, that is positive 21a. Then, the last terms, so we have positive 7 times negative 7, that is negative 49. Okay, so equals, so copy, 9a squared. So ito po, makakancel na po ito. Yan. So, negative 21a plus 21a. So, cancel po talaga yan. Is equals to 0 na po yan. Then, copy, negative 49. Okay. So, ito na po ang ating sagot. 9a squared minus 49. Okay. So, ito po yung tinatawag nating long method. Kasi, in-applyan po natin ng FOIL method. So, nag-multiply pa po tayo dito. So, ang gagawin po natin, isosolve naman po natin ito ng short method. So, ganito lang po ang gagawin natin. Okay, so equals. So, ito pong first quantity, ito lang po ang ating kukunin. Okay, yung 3a plus 7. Okay, so ang gagawin po natin dito, yung first quantity, yung first term, ito po, i-assume po natin ito, letter A. Then, ito pong second term, i-assume po natin na letter B. Then, substitute po natin dito. Okay? So, A squared. So, we have A, 3A. Then, squared. Then, copy the negative sign. Then, B squared. So, we have B. The value of B is 7. So, 7 squared equals, so, dalawang beses po yung multiply. 3a times 3a, that is 9a squared. Then, copy the negative sign. So, 7 times 7, that is 49. Okay? So, parehas po. Dito, yung shortcut method at yung long method ay iisa lang po ang naging sagot. Okay. So, ang tatandaan nyo lang po dito sa shortcut method natin, ito pong formula natin. So, isa-substitute lang po dito ang value nung given two terms po, na minumultiply natin. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 2. So, we have quantity 2y minus 3 times the quantity 2y plus 3. Okay, so ito lang po ang gagamitin natin. Okay? So, assume po natin 2y, ito po yung letter A natin, and 3, ito po yung letter B natin. So, equals, then, okay, substitute po natin dito sa formula natin. So, we have a squared. So, ang a po natin, we have 2y. Then, squared po natin. Then, copy the negative sign. So, b po natin, b squared, no? b is equals to 3 squared equals, so, dalawang beses po yung multiply, 2y times 2y, that is 4y squared. Then, copy the minus sign o negative sign. So, 3 times 3, that is 9. Okay, so nakuha po natin kaagad na mabilis yung sagot nang hindi na po ginagamitan ng FOIL method. O yung tinatawag po nating long method po yan ng paghanap o solution sa paghahanap po ng product. Okay, so example number 3. Okay, so quantity 4 minus b times the quantity 4 plus p. Okay, so ito lang po ang ating gagamitin. Then 4, we have a. Then b, that is b po natin. Okay, so equals, a is equals to 4, then substitute a squared. So 4 squared, then copy the negative sign. Then ang b po natin is b. So b squared. So we have b squared po natin yung b. Equals, so 4 times 4, that is 16. Then copy the negative sign. Then b times p, that is b squared. Okay, so ito po yung ating shortcut method, no? Napakadali lang po, no? Isa-substitute lang po natin. Palagi lang po natin tatandaan dito, no? Yung ating formula. So, wag po nating kakalimutan, lalong-lalo na po yung ating negative sign. So, hindi po yan nagbabago. So, we have example number 4, quantity x plus 5y times the quantity x minus 5y. And we have example number 5, quantity 3m plus 2 times the quantity 3m minus 2. So, kayo na po ang magsusolve nito. Okay, para ma-practice po kayo. So, using the shortcut method, so itinuro po natin, no? So, ganito lang po kasimple para makuha nyo po ng mabilis yung product na hinahanap. So, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.